Hey, what's up fellas, your boy DJ Roxy coming to you with another Akai MPC 3000 video. As you can see, we are working on this bad boy, refurbishing. I take out all my white buttons to bleach them and make them white again, bring them back to life. I changed my, from the regular floppy to a compact flash drive, changed the operation system to 3.5, and little things, cleaning it out and making it look good, bringing it back to life. Also, I have this MPC, this other MPC 3000, which is in perfect mint condition. This is listed on eBay, so you can check it out if you want to purchase this. It's beautiful. It also has a compact flash drive and upgraded screen and all that stuff and all that nice stuff. So if you want to purchase this, just go over to eBay and yeah, that's how we do it right here. Also, that's another little project, MPC 2000. It's your boy DJ Roxy. Until next time.